At babalik tayo dito pa rin sa Mindmaster. O diba kanina nakita nyo, nag-set up kami kunyari ng carnap, ng kotse, SUV ni Daniel Masunano. Pero syempre sinabi namin agad, no, nakaka-tense naman, na set up lang yun. Bago natin balikan yan, eto na. Hahanapin natin ang nakahanap kunyari na kotse, pero dito muna tayo. Kasama natin ngayon para mag-perform ulit ang ating Mindmaster na si Nomer ng Mentalism na kung tawagin ay Psychometry.
Kasi yung psychometry kasi, ito yung ability ng mga psyche na makapag-pick up ng vibes sa mga inanimate na objects. Ito yung psychometry, ito rin yung ginagamit sa pag-solve ng mga crimes, pag may naiiwan na ebidensya, o pag may mga nawawalan tao, psychometry yung ginagamit. I'm gonna turn my back, and then you guys, okay, kubuha kayo ng object, preferably may sentimental value sa inyo. Tama si Bill. Okay, tapos pagkatapos pakibigay po kay Miss Eugene.
Laway ka muna dyan.
Why don't you turn your back and swim a little?
Nakakadyahe naman to.
Ako naiintriga ka dun sa mga objects na may sentimental value. Ay, kukolektahin ko po.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
Jerica.
Oo, dapat kasama ka.
Rocco and Chris. Okay na po.
Alright, sana yung mga bags? It's with you. Bigay mo sa akin isa-isa.
Sa isa.
Isa-isa lang. And then hopefully may mapipick up ako ng vibes dun sa mga object.
Wow, okay.
Isa lang. This one belongs to someone. Napakasimple lang. That's why you love her. 5 years from now, maganda yung career niya kasi napakasimple lang niya. And people will love her for being simple. What's this? Stationery maybe or a letter. What's this? Stationery. And this belongs to you, Chris. Tama?
Ang galing!
Oo. Sa kanya nga yan.
Tama.
Hindi naman siya nag-react kanina.
Simple naman pala to eh.
Okay.
Next.
Ano nakasulit?
Wala, stationary. Blanco.
Ito na po.
This one is from someone who is thinking kung kailan siya magkakaanak.
Meron ba akong binigay? Wala na.
Okay. This is from someone. I think yung object inside is a little bit silver. I think this is a piece of parang religious na item. I think it's for you, Will. Yes, you're thinking about that. Iniisip mo kung kailan ka magkakaanak.
Tama.
Yes, okay. Just to give you that answer.
Whoa. Wow.
Well, very, very soon. If not this year, next year.
Wow! Invite mo kami, ha?
Hindi ba yun?
I said it's a religious item. It's yes.
Wow.
Silver.
Nice.
Galing.
Galing, galing.
Belongs to you.
Thank you.
Okay, so kukunin ko yung dalawa.
Sarap naman dugtungan nun. Ano magkakaanak?
Actually, si Miss Eugene naman, iniisip ko kailan siya mag-aasawa.
Oo nga.
Ayun, yun ang muna.
Maganda yata. Ito pag-usapan natin.
So kukunin ko yung dalawa. Of course, kasi pag nabasa ko yung isa, of course, alam na natin kung kanina yung isa.
sige.
This object is okay. Yung may-ari nito, ito yung unang-unang isa sa mga una niyang nabili nung kumita siya sa pagiging artista. And he or she is also thinking if he will make it big in this career or in this business. The other one is bought. Yung isa naman was given by someone who's very close to her or to him. I'm also sensing na etong bagay na to nakapunta na ng ibang bansa. Yung country maraming lights, like a Vegas type, but it's not Vegas. I think it's Macau.
Wow!
Jenica, I believe this is yours. This is again another religious item.
Ikaw na!
Jenica, this was given to you by your boyfriend, yes?
Oy!
And I believe this is yours. It's a sunglass. Isa yun sa mga una mong nabili.
Yeah.
Kumita ka sa show business.
Alam mo, sorry, teka lang ah. Alam mo, yung itsura ko kayo, religious item. Iniisip ko gusto ko magkaanak. Diyos ko, iniisip ko baka gusto ko magkaanak. Kasi diba religious item din yung pinasok ko.
Ito, pwede nga patingin.
Dalawa pala eh.
Pareho kayo religious item.
Opo.
Ah,
Can you just confirm na bigay sa'yo yan ng boyfriend mo or your
Hindi, tama po.
special setup?
Bigay po sa akin ng boyfriend ko nang pupunta po ako ng Macau.
Pupunta ka ng Macau.
Sabi ko, tatawag sa mga aeroplano. Sabi niya,
Si Alwin ba yun?
Opo.
Galing, galing.
Ako naman binili.
So, well, yours, yeah. Isa sa yun sa mga una mong binili. You're thinking if you'll make it big in show business, you gotta maintain the bad boy image. You're a good person trapped in a bad boy image. Okay, so panindigan mo yun.
That's nice. Alright, thank you, thank you.
Kanina na-reveal na ang pagkarnap sa kotse ni Daniel. Ngayon, simula na ng aming paghahanap dito. Bago kami umalis ng restaurant, sinubukang ilocate ni Nomer ang nawawalang SUV gamit ang pendulum at ang mapa.
That's funny. It's not moving here in the Intramuros area. Okay, you try the pendulum.
Kailangan gumagalaw yung pendulum.
Nakikita mo, it will go on a circular motion. Ganyan, it's moving on that area. What's that? Port area? Yes, it's moving in a circular motion there, sa Southport. Umiikot siya nandun siya sa area na yan.
So, kailangan natin pumunta ng Southport.
Kailangan natin pumunta ng Southport.
Sige.
Maya-maya pa, sumakay na kami sa van. Mahaba-haba ang thought transfer sa loob ng van.
Masyadong malaki yung Southport. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna project some thoughts to you. Yung feeling ko na nandun yung car mo.
Okay.
But of course, we did not prearrange this. Even me, I don't know where your car is. But I'll try to.
Alam ko.
Daniel, ako din ha. At this point, hindi ko alam.
I'm gonna ask you to close your eyes in a moment. Close your eyes, I want you to be very relaxed. Okay, and just listen to my voice. Fine.
And for you to relax, I think you need a massage.
Pwede.
A massage? For you to relax.
Pwede. Sarap.
We will do this now. Okay, it's right down this. Danielle, I wrote a color here. Okay, what do you think is the color?
Gray.
Oz.
Can I open my eyes?
No, not yet. Danielle, not yet.
Hindi ako pwede magsalita.
Alright.
Pwede ba ako
We will proceed.
magsalita? Hindi yata ako pwede magsalita.
Just close your eyes. Keep your
Close
eyes
your
closed.
eyes. Close your eyes. I'll close my mouth.
Okay. Danielle, I'm gonna write again. Okay, alright. Since support kasi feels right to write this down. I hope it makes sense. Oh, I don't know what this is. This is actually, Danielle, ano yung pumasok sa isip mo?
A word.
Yes. But does it make sense to you?
Not really.
Okay, what was the word?
Cosmo?
Cosmo? I write this. Okay, so this should be like that. Okay. We're close.
We're close, yes. We're close to the car.
Ano eh?
No, not yet. I'm getting some 3 letters here. I'll write the first letter. Daniel. Just the first letter, Daniel. Ano yung first letter that popped into your mind?
C.
Okay. The second letter, Daniel.
D.
The last letter. I got the middle letter wrong. But what was the last letter?
B.
Papa.
That's my father, Paolo.
Okay. We will trust our intuitions, Daniel. That hopefully yung mga ni-reveal mo na thoughts, it will direct us to your car.
Yeah.
Alright, you may open your eyes now.
Inikot namin ang port area para hanapin ang mga clues na nabigay ni Nomer kay Daniel gamit ang thought transfer. May nakita na akong Costco. May nakita akong Costco.
There, oh.
Meron.
Merong Costco. Daniel.
Pero madaming Costco.
Maraming Costco.
Okay?
Oh my.
So I think Nomer, kailangan natin i-narrow down.
Yes. And what's funny, yung Costco, anong color ng van ng Costco?
Gray.
Gray.
Blue. Blue ng letter.
Blue ang letters, gray ang kulay ng container van. Pero madami sila, Nomer.
Oh my.
So ang natitira na lang sa atin, yung CNP or CVP.
Or CV.
Nakikita ko sa vans, kanina, merong mga nakasulat na letters dun sa hilera ng mga container vans. Like this, CNH.
CNH.
Okay. So, sa palagay ko, hinahanap natin na CNP, parang ganun ang itsura. And then we will find a gray container na merong Costco.
Okay.
CVP. Kanina marami tayong nadaanan na parang may mga letters eh.
CNT.
So anong gagawin natin ngayon? Nomer.
Meron marami.
So, dito sa CNT na to, maghahanap tayo ng gray na Costco.
Great, Costco. Okay, eto na yun.
Pero ang problema, may 4 na bote kung saan nakalagay ang 4 na magkakamukhang susi. Kailangan makutuban kung ano ang tamang susi. Tumalab kaya ang power ng mentalism dito? Abangan yan sa pagbabalik ng